Good afternoon, Neil.
Good afternoon, Teacher Nathan.
So, we are here to do the assessment. And are you done writing?
Yes.
Let me see. So, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Next time, dapat suwatan ninyo ang nilatangan. So, every time mong story. So, before you pass, I need to ask you 5 questions. 4 times 8.
32,
7 times 3.
21,
4 times 3.
12,
4, 7.
28,
3, 5.
15,
More question. 6, 8.
48,
9, 5.
35,
9, 6.
63,
7, 6.
42,
9, 6.
54,
9, 7.
63,
8, 8.
64,
2, 3.
6,
Alright, so you'll be back, or you're back in my class. So for you to avoid doing this, writing 1 to 13, you need to pass the multiplication during live donation or monthly donation. Understood?
yes.
Goodbye for now, Neil.
Goodbye, Teacher Nathan.